and I am on my terrace, on the top of my terrace, making a blog to share it with you guys. See this, how the scenery is now. It's too beautiful, na? I know. You want to see the another one? I want to show you the some fabulous scenes that's too good to be seen, yaar. I just want to show you. Just see how are that scenes. Oh, the scenes are too good, na? See that very tree. What a pictorial figure it is giving, isn't it? This is my first blog, and I know that you may enjoy it, and I know that you really enjoyed it. I wish that you may like, subscribe, and share also. So, bye, and have a very good evening.